last stage of day 2, last stage of the fest. Let's just hope the legs will be strong enough by then. This one is one of the favorites. Weather Tortoise, one of the ancient trails here in Faialeterra village. Has one really technical part right in the beginning. There's a few drops now and then, 1 or 2 jumps, and just smashing rocks all the way down. Alright, let's try to keep alive. Oh, here you have a couple lines, you can get creative. Oh, it's very steep, slippery. Oh, hold on, Carlos. Alright. And after here you can pin it. Slide down. Beautiful. Okay, some good slippery rock. Dry today. Maybe not on the race day, so be really careful. Okay. Okay, you have to set up this really. Cannot mess up over here. I have a drop coming. Oh, here we are. That's a nice little jump over here. Some nice berms over here. You can cut over here. Slide down. This is the famous Meira corner with a spectacular photo from Antonio Abreu from Mad Production. Ah, very slippery. Woo. Slide. Very, very slippery. Okay. Let's go up. Inside, oh, almost went with the fishes. Not slipping, struggling. Okay, really fast section. Twist of a lip. You can whip over there. Some style for the photos, and the really fast section. Oh, and hold on. Oh, slippery when you brake. Very. Whew. Some really nasty little section for the arms. I think I'm gonna rest a little bit over here. It's a proper hard to the arms track. But it's really cool, really fast. All right, that's a good one. Watch out in this entrance. On. There's some loose rocks over here, so don't be overconfident over here. And here we are, finished. Just watch out for the cars and you're good.